Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one new from Malaysia. This is Meat Me, see that? Meat Me Malaysia Chili Pan Mi. And I've never had this before. I am stoked. New Malaysian varieties definitely pique my curiosity, and this one is definitely curious. So, yeah, good. So, we got a noodle block, and that's going to go in right now because of the other thing that's going on at the moment. So, bear with me. All will be revealed. Drop you in. There you go. Neat little square noodle block. And that goes in for 6 minutes. Now, what I just did is I boiled some water. And I took a room temperature egg. And that's sitting in the water that was boiling behind the camera. And that sits in there for 7 minutes, and I started this at approximately 1 minute after I dropped it in. So that should be good. Comes with looks like a mixture of oil and maybe soy sauce. It comes with a lot of peppery looking stuff. And a mixture of, wait a second. These. And the other one, though, things look different when I did the unboxing. Now I'm confused. Well, that's okay. It happens. I'll have to ask them about that. And they're gonna send more. I'm stoked. They're gonna send. They've got a lot of neat varieties. I was like, please send everything you got. They've got like fish cheese. I find that very fascinating. Got my new shirt on that I made. Let me see if I can get it so you can read it. It's an image of Momofuku Ando and his wife, and it says, it's number 42 out of the book. Think and think again. When I beat my brains out, I pass blood in my urine. Then it's got the new... And I'm like, Ramen Raider elevating the bowl since 2002. That's kind of like my new catchphrase. Elevating the bowl. But anyways, let's do the quote of the day out of this fine book. Number 299. Love and respect are the only things that count. Very nice. Very nice. Into these noodles a little bit. Oh, so I'm gonna do a mukbang today with these. I was gonna cook up 2 varieties today, and then I decided, you know what? I'm doing a mukbang. It's the right thing to do. It says chili. It should be somewhat spicy, right? I'm excited though. This is like really neat, really new. So we'll see how it goes. I hope I like it. I might not like it, but I should. By the way, I'm in the US. I'm not from Canada, but I'm finally wearing my Canada hat. I think I've stretched it out enough so it'll fit on my head. But yeah. Did a bunch of walking back and forth today. It's a beautiful, 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 beautiful day. It's about as nice out as it gets here in Western Washington, so I'm excited about that. Yeah. Pretty good. Or Miles is over there yammering his head off. That's okay, he does that. He's a yammering kind of guy. I've got an hour and a half. These are getting pretty close to done. So I'm excited. I've got time to spend with you. Got time to spend with the noodle. It's a win-win situation. All around, everybody's happy. Is everybody happy? I think they're busy. One thing I'm not happy about is I really am happy to do a mukbang, but it's like, when the heck am I gonna edit it? I don't know. I got more packages coming. I'm gonna do the mukbang with one of these fancy new forks. Have I shown you these yet? I did the unboxing video yesterday, but I have yet to actually do any testing with these things. Where's the other one? The other one I'm gonna use. There it is. So I'll show you these things. The swirl and twirl fork. So check this out. It's wavy this way, but it's also wavy this way. And I don't know, it's this guy named Flavio, really nice guy. He came up with this idea for this kind of fork, and the impetus for it is that when he and his kids go out to get ramen, they have trouble keeping the noodles staying on the fork that they use. I know there's gonna be a lot of snot-nosed people that are saying like, why don't you use chopsticks? But you know, not everybody uses chopsticks or grew up using chopsticks, and most of the people who are complaining about people using chopsticks didn't either. So it's like bleh. But regardless of the situation, he sent me a bunch. And he invented this. I mean, he went and he got, I'm guessing, went and got the molds made. That ain't cheap. And he believes in it enough that he's stuck his nose out to give it a try. So, I'm definitely all in to give it a really, really thorough test. So now we drain these. So yeah, I will test that in the mukbang. Not right now. So here's the sauce. Ooh, that smells yummy. Getting like fried chilies. And then this gets stirred. Oh, baby, yeah. Oh, we can't forget that egg. You're right. Okay, do I wait for the mukbang to try? I'll give it a taste really quick. Really quick. I can't help myself. Oddly enough, they are conveniently falling off the fork. Alright, fine. Fine. They're falling off this too. Okay. Woo. Woo. That's a pretty good. Nice heat. A little bit of sweet. Okay. Now we're gonna add this. This is some Chinese sausage I ground up. You can buy it pre-ground. But I fried it. And I mentioned adding pork with it, so. Now for that egg. Ooh, it's hot though. Yes. So okay. Not as what I thought was supposed to be, but it is what it is, so there we are. Either way, I am ready to give this sucker a try. Ah! What do we got here? Now I'm curious. Fish. Oh wow. A touch of pepper flake. We're good to go. This is gonna be freaking rad. I am stoked. All right, rotato, rotate. All right, well, the next thing you're going to see is me wolfing this down, so Hans the Ramen Raider. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Meet me. MEETMEE. Chili pan me. Get it in Malaysia. Have a good one. Bye-bye.